Yeah, I interviewed this negative utilitarian called David Pearce once, and he said that humans need to use their godlike power to micromanage every square meter of the world. That's how he put it. And I was thinking, we don't have a great track record at doing that type of thing.
No, we don't. There's a question here to answer as well in a minute from Yes. You are hypocrites. You consume unethical products. Who are you to draw the line?
Yeah, and I think they've also said vegans are hypocrites. Why don't you care about the destroyed habitats when you eat plants? Well, there's quite interesting stuff there. I mean, the thing is, going straight to the habitats thing, veganism would actually reforest habitats or re-establish habitats.
Yeah, absolutely. Huge amounts of land would be saved if everyone was on a plant-based diet, if everyone went vegan. Then the amount of land that we currently consume could be reduced by as much as 3/4. We could save, in a sense, a landmass the size of Africa, the continent.
Yeah, I posted a video by George Monbiot, which touched on this, because I suppose really, to be fair, Andy, that if you say, well, we want everybody to start eating plants, people then think, oh, so therefore more plants will be needed to be grown.
Of course, I understand where the kind of logic comes from, or assumed logic comes from. Absolutely, yeah, because you think that you don't think about the plants that you're eating is essentially how it works, and you don't think about the plants that are being consumed by the other animals that you're also eating. That's where the maths fails. But yeah, you can definitely understand why they would make that assumption. If everyone switched, sort of like we had a click of the fingers and everyone went vegan overnight, so not only could we save like 3/4 of the land that we currently use, but also if we continued and pushed that even more forward and started looking at other alternative ways that weren't just agriculture, they weren't just farming the way that we currently farm, and we started doing things like vertically farming, and we started doing other things, fermentation, all these other things that reduced that need even more, then that land could be reduced even further. And the amount of land that could return to the wild for habitation and for other species to finally thrive in peace would be absolutely enormous.